Right, the next thing that I'm going to do is write up my mind map nice and neat. So where should I start? I am going to start with describe. So first of all, I'm just going to use a ruler just so that my lines are nice and neat, and I'm going to very gently draw the ruler line, because what I don't want to do, I don't want to leave it there at the end, I just want to rub it out. So I've got my ruler line for my title, and then I'm just going to do a few more that are parallel. I'm leaving a gap under the title, and I want my lines to be nice and parallel. Okay, let's have a little look. So I'll zoom in for this bit. I am going to start with, and I'm just looking at the mind map that we already created together as a class. I'm going to start with the title, which is describe, and I'm going to write that in a graffiti style writing. If you need support with this, you can look at your help sheet, which is on the tables. I'm going to plan it out in pencil first. I just pressed too dark there, that I shouldn't have done that. And then I'm going to go over the top in coloured pencil. So very happy with that. And there we go, there's my title. The next thing I'm going to do is just write up my notes that I had before. So, and you can just do this in ordinary writing if you want, or you can carry on that graffiti style. I'm going to use bullet points. And bold. And I'm just describing Vexx's artwork. His work is vibrant. His work is blended. Graffiti artists are very famous for blending their colours. I've got that it's cartoony and that it's doodles. And there we go, I've done my describe section, and then I'm going to move on to do the rest in the same style. So the next bit that I would do is, I'm just going to think about where I can actually fit things. So up here I will do my basic information. But I also want to be, I also do want to leave some space for some drawings, so I need to be careful. So I'm doing basic information about the artist, so I'm just going to write artist. Artist info. So his real name is Vince, and at this point I'm going to stop and sharpen my pencil because it's getting a bit blunt. His name is Vince Ackerman. And I'm writing in that graffiti style writing because he's a graffiti artist. So he's called Vince Ackerman. He is a Belgian artist. He is contemporary, which means his work is current. He was born in 1988. And he is famous for his YouTube channel. So there, I've got two parts done now. I'm going to slot a nice little drawing in here, and you can draw straight from the examples that are on the sheet, or you can use some of the images that I've provided for you, and I think he would fit in quite nicely there. Alternatively, there's some really nice drawings that I can work from. So I'm going to keep going with my writing. If you feel you need a break to draw a picture, you can go for it. But I'm just going to get all the writing out of the way with first, so then I can play around and take my time with the drawings. And there we go, that's my annotation done, my mind map's done, and I'm ready to add some drawings now. The next step that I would take is to rub away the pencil lines.